Hello, welcome to Baking Basics. My name is David. Today we'll be talking about baguette shaping. To begin, we must divide the dough into 350 gram portions. You must have a scale and a dough cutter to do so. Once the dough is all divided, start pre-shaping them into balls. Use your hands to gently shape them before leaving them to rest for at least 10 minutes. To shape the dough, take one of the pre-shaped balls and flip it onto its back. Press it down gently and do your first fold in the middle. Then turn the dough around and repeat the same fold. Then we start building pressure by gently folding the dough into itself using the palm of your hand. You really want to be gentle during this process and close the seam of the dough. Now we can start rolling it out. Use both your hands laid on top of each other in the middle of the log and start rolling back and forth while spreading both hands to each end of the dough. Once that is done, lay your baguettes down on the couche to rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. Next, right before going into the oven, we must score our baguettes. This can be done in a couple of different ways to create interesting and diverse patterns. Thank you for today, guys, and I'll see you soon. Au revoir.